to Eat Street, just about to get on the freeway. This ECU's being a bit of a pain in the ass. Oh, not the ECU, the tune. I think we're going to get some bad weather. I think C-Bus Super. A couple of nice colourful buildings around here. I think this thing changes colour, maybe. It's cool, whatever it is, eh? Alright, oh, we're going to get in the right lane now. Here we go, another tunnel. She's brapping away, sort of self-learning. Give it a bit through the tunnels there. The guy in the 86 loved it. Fuck, this car park's fucking 10 miles away. Alright, we're leaving Eat Street, or I'm leaving Eat Street by myself. The daughter and the missus is sleeping at their friend's place, so I'm going to cruise on home. So yeah, I've taken the coils out, taken the intercooler piping off. I'll put something in there as well. And yeah, I'm going to swap the leads and the plugs and the coils off that car onto this. See how it runs. I'm going to run it actually with the, I'm going to run it NA first, and I'm going to hook up all these vacuum lines that aren't hooked up. And also I was wondering what was rattling last time. Oh, now it's fucking tight, this thing here. It's fucking rattling around, yeah. So yeah, that's just a intake, like the factory's hooked up, factory intake hooked up. All the lines are hooked up except for, that's air pump. All those are hooked up. And I've got to blank that one off. MAF's hooked up. I just got to put some, I'll probably put those coils back in and then maybe try some of them leads that you brought round. And I might be able to get the fucking plugs from up here, bro. Fuck, I'll try it. Alright, this is the first start NA. Oh. Ah. Why is it not doing that? Oh, okay, no. Fucking forescan the cunt. Alright, first start NA. What the fuck? Why is it not kicking? Clicks, but nothing. So I just put everything back to NA because I want to run it NA with all these hoses hooked up. Can you believe it? The fucking thing won't start. I don't know what the fuck I've done. Maybe maybe the batteries shit itself, or maybe the fucking starters shit itself. It clicks. It just goes click, 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 click. Nothing else. I'll figure it out today. Alright. So have you had to think about what I said? Oh, he's let me in. Look at that. Okay, alright, yep, thank you. So, we're going to start this time. No, and the reason why is because I don't have a fuel pump fuse. But I'll fix that. Alrighty. Okay. So it's a bit low on fuel, I think, but it's running all right. There goes the fucking paper out of the fucking intercooler. $5,000, smooth as. There you go. Alright, I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Anyway, guys, that wraps it up for another episode of Apex Seal Detonator. Thanks heaps for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe, follow, like, unlike, hate, curse, whatever tickles your fancy. Yeah, so I managed to get this thing going, which is good. She'd been stubborn, but since we're here right now talking about this thing, the wire, the little, it's like a tiny little clip that goes on the starter motor, had come off. So yeah, that's the reason why it wasn't starting. This thing here is just having a little bit of a rest at the moment. And as you can see, we've got a bit of a fire happening here. Yeah, so it's going to be quite a cold one again. there's a few cool things coming up within the next sort of month or so. Stay tuned, and yeah, we'll see what becomes of it all. Until then, I think I'm going to go inside because I'm freaking freezing. So, in saying that, have a good one, take it easy, and I'll see you on the next episode of Apex Seal Detonator. Bye now. Can't get anywhere near Redline. It's fucking the Sunday drivers. Up the street we go. Oh yeah, let's go. I hope this thing doesn't frickin' bone a house down. Fuck, you can feel the heat coming off that, man. Yeah, no, that's it. Beautiful. Lovely. Fuck yeah, boy.
Okay, so you ready for it? So I've taken off one coil. That is from an untouched Jap import. Them coils come with it. 100 Ks. Misfiring the whole time. Yeah. I think that's the issue. I mean, that's why it won't rev over 5,000. Yeah, so that's the water pump that come off it. That's your factory one. So yeah, there's a bit of, it's just like surface rust and crap. Yeah, and I don't know, I think that's that white powdery stuff, bro. Yeah. But yeah, no, that coolant was pretty bloody green. Like, pretty surprising, eh? But yeah.